Everything you need to start investing and making money with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, from how to get started and set up a wallet to setting up very lucrative passive income streams and the best proven investment options and strategies to yield you the highest returns possible. Those who are completely new to Bitcoin and have never bought any cryptocurrencies before are unaware of all the scams that are out there and are prone to losing money. That is why it is crucial for them to have guidance when investing in this market. I started investing in cryptocurrencies back in 2015, a little over 5 years now, so I'm well aware of the mistakes that many beginners tend to make and how to avoid them, as well as knowing what the best investment strategies are and how to make the most amount of money in crypto. Now, there's a very small window of opportunity to make a lot of money in the crypto market, and right now is a great time to be getting in. So if you want the no bullshit, straight up best way to start making money with crypto today, click the link to my Patreon channel in the description below. I always say that the earlier you get into crypto, the better off you'll be financially in the future. And a year from now, there's going to be two types of people. Those who are looking at the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and saying, damn, those who invested early really made a lot of money. Or you can be one of those who invested early and made a lot of money. The choice is up to you. Also, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make videos on investing, business, financial freedom, and everything related to making money.